Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Begin by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once you've removed all the screws, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seams of the bottom panel. Carefully pry it open, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the bottom panel is removed, locate the keyboard. You will see additional screws that hold the keyboard in place. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure that you've removed all the screws. Now, gently lift the keyboard from its position. Be cautious as there will be a ribbon cable connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by lifting the locking tab on the connector. If you're unsure about handling the internal components, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help assess any potential risks. With the old keyboard removed, it's a good time to clean the area around the keyboard. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure a clean installation of the new keyboard. Next, unpack the new keyboard casing. Align it properly with the connector on the motherboard, ensuring that the ribbon cable fits snugly into its slot. Push down the locking tab to secure it in place. Once connected, gently lower the keyboard into its position. Reinsert the screws that hold it in place. Ensure that the keyboard is secure and does not wobble. If you're not comfortable with reassembling the laptop, remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This service is convenient, allowing you to avoid any hassle of travel or phone calls. After securing the keyboard, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align it carefully and press down gently to snap it back into place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to reinstall the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the casing. Finally, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Test the new keyboard to ensure that all keys are functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. In conclusion, replacing the keyboard casing on your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 might seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, it can be done effectively. If at any point you feel overwhelmed, consider our services for an easy solution without the need for calls or travel. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.